Vaporized hydrogen peroxide is an ecological biodecontamination agent that decomposes into water and oxygen, leaving no residue. This has led to its widespread use in several biodecontamination applications, such as isolators and transfer hatches in the pharmaceutical industry, as well as in clean rooms, hospitals, and even onboard aircraft. As a leading developer of measurement instruments for demanding environments, we set out to create the best possible sensor for vaporized hydrogen peroxide biodecontamination. The result is our unique Vaisala PEROXCAP technology, a 3-in-1 instrument for measuring vaporized hydrogen peroxide, temperature, and humidity for the entire biodecontamination process. The Vaisala PEROXCAP sensor uses 2 capacitive thin-film polymer sensors and is based on our proven reliable HumiCap technology. Sensor 1 detects the humidity generated by both water and hydrogen peroxide vapor. The catalytic layer on top of sensor 2 prevents hydrogen peroxide from penetrating the sensing polymer. This means that the sensor only measures the humidity generated by water vapor. The relative humidity percentage is determined by measuring the amount of water vapor. An advanced algorithm calculates the amount of hydrogen peroxide in parts per million based on the difference between the measurements taken by the 2 sensors. A second algorithm calculates the relative saturation value based on the known temperature, hydrogen peroxide ppm, and relative humidity. It is essential to follow the relative saturation value during the biodecontamination process because it tells you the saturation level of the air mixture. Relative saturation is the key parameter that indicates when the air mixture starts to condense. Here, you can see an example of a real biodecontamination process with 4 distinct phases. In the first phase, there is no hydrogen peroxide in the chamber, meaning the relative saturation and relative humidity are the same. When hydrogen peroxide is present, the relative humidity and relative saturation levels are different. Relative saturation is the key parameter for controlling condensation. Other parameters alone are not enough for doing this. The patented Vaisala PEROXCAP technology ensures accurate and reliable measurement even in high humidity conditions. In addition to the hydrogen peroxide, Vaisala PEROXCAP measures temperature and humidity. Repeatable measurements help to ensure successful regulatory audits. The Vaisala Indigo family of smart probes, optional host devices, and Insight software helps you to validate your hydrogen peroxide biodecontamination more easily.